In the words of Sun Tzu, when one mobilizes an army of 100,000 men and marches them 1,000 miles, the cost to the people and the state's resources is 1,000 gold pieces a day. The disturbance caused internally and externally resulted in men being unable to attend to their business. For 700,000 families to keep each other company for several years, to win a single day's battle, and to cherish titles and payments amounting to only 100 pieces of gold shows the height of inhumanity. It is not the conduct of a general. It is not the assistance to a ruler, and it is not the course for achieving victory. A wise ruler and a skillful general, to prevail over others when engaging in battle, achieve success through the knowledge of the adversaries. This knowledge does not come from ghosts and spirits, nor obtained through experience, or inferred from measures and dimensions. It must be gained through people by understanding the sentiments of the enemy. Understanding your enemy is essential to achieving victory. One can adequately plan and strategize for success through knowledge of the enemy. One can exploit opportunities and overcome obstacles by recognizing the enemy's strengths and weaknesses. So remember, to be a successful leader, you must first know your enemy. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on warfare and strategy.